Wow, caterpillar. Another caterpillar. Good lord. There's caterpillars everywhere. Start a farm. Start a little caterpillar farm. It's so hot outside that it's just blowing hot air on you. It's like standing underneath a hairdryer. Hello, cows. How are you doing today? I think it's about time to head over to the gas station and pick up a bev. Be safe and read. I could not tell you the last time I read a book. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're new. Oh wait, no. Wait, hold on. Definitely not that. Welcome back to the channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Jarrett, and in today's video, we're going to be absolutely ripping on the Kawasaki Versys X300 down some absolutely incredible back roads here. We're just really pushing myself and this bike to the limits here. Alright guys, welcome to the video. This is going to be my first test ride of the new GoPro Hero 10 setup with the Purple Panda microphone, and I have the GoPro on the chin mounts, 3D printed, like helmet specific motorcycle mount. So I'm pretty excited about this new setup. I hope everything was working together pretty good. Right now I have the GoPro on 2.7K, 60 frames per second, high bit rate, flat color, and that is about it. It's going to have the microphone picking up my voice right now, the wind, and also the exhaust of the motorcycle, so I'm interested to see how that turns out. It's so hot outside that it's just blowing hot air on you. It's like standing underneath a hairdryer. Hello, cows. How are you doing today? This little cement truck. Wave to my guy. I guess he's gonna let me go. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, I was wondering why that guy was just stopping there. I guess he wanted to let me go. It's so very nice of him. It's not like I wouldn't have still passed him in the next 20 feet anyway, so at least he already knew. This road is like brown. That's so weird. Why is the road brown? Nice little puddle right there. That's not where we're going. Get a little slippy slidey right there, huh? Yeah, see, like the road is brown. Why does it do that? Why is it like that? It's so strange. I was here a couple days ago with my truck, and there was a little bit of mud puddles along the side, but there wasn't anything too crazy. So I'm interested to see how it is today after the rain. Yeah, you can definitely tell that it rained last night. Just looking at this, like, nice. This will be pretty fun. It's a good sign, good start. Get a little bit of rain in the old mesh pants, that's always a good thing. I'm surprised there isn't as many tire tracks out here. I thought there'd be more, honestly. I thought it'd be a little bit more wild and crazy, but I guess not. Put along. Yeah, it's like nothing, it's nothing deep, but it's just when the guys come out here with their trucks, like I always do, ruts it up a good bit, so it's always interesting in the motorcycle to see how deep it's going to be. See that deer up there? Got a deer. Wonder how long it's going to take for him to move out of the way. Oh, there he goes. See if there's any of his friends. Usually they're like right at the same height with the, yeah, look at that. You can see them. Just see their head bouncing along. Oh gosh, got a little slippery right there. Just see their head bouncing along. That's pretty cool. Wow, caterpillar. Another caterpillar. Good lord. There's caterpillars everywhere. Start a farm. Start a little caterpillar farm. But the bike's got plenty of power to slide that rear end out on these dirt roads. Makes things interesting. Like right here, slide that whole corner. at this whole corner. It's pretty cool. Alright, got a nice little bridge here. Starting to get into the woods a little bit more. Get a little slidey. Just throws that back end out like crazy. It's pretty wild. Yeah, when I was out here a couple days ago, there was not all these leaves. So all these leaves are recent from that storm bringing them down. Look at that. That's a puddle there. And it's like actually mud. You can't even see the bottom of that right there. I did go into that little side hole there. Pretty good little spot. This is so fun to just rip through. Yeah, see what I said? There's another big log in the road. Got another one up here. The last GoPro I had was a Hero 4 session. That was that little tiny thing, and it was just terrible. Like, the battery lasted 20 minutes and you could never record anything, and it's just nothing good about it. On a little bit of gravel here now. Some very loose gravel. It's pretty crazy. Alright. Figured this would be a good time and a good spot for us to take a little walk around to the motorcycle. Alright, so as you can see, Kawasaki Versys 300. Got some nice tires on here. These are the Moto Z Tractionators. They're super knobby, they're super grippy. The back ones are even more aggressive. I mean, they're pretty wild and crazy. We did our own little homemade tail tidy on here as well. Got the Two Brothers Racing exhaust. It sounds pretty good. We'll give a little test here. It sounds pretty darn good. So with the Kawasaki Versys 300, it's actually the same twin cylinder motor as the Ninja 300, which is pretty sweet because it goes to show, like, it revs up all the way to 12,000. All right, and we also got this really nice box on here. It's pretty good for throwing a hat, throwing a couple water bottles, throwing some GoPro accessories when you don't want to wear a backpack. I love that it has the center stand. That's always a good thing. And then we also got these GV crash bars on here. And then I have these little LED pod lights. These things are super bright and they were super cheap on eBay. So that's always good. And like I said, we got the Acherbys Bark Busters. They work pretty darn well. Ram mount, and then that's pretty much it on the bike. So it works pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. A little out of breath. Whole lot of talking. Whole lot of riding. A little bit of mud on the boots. Nothing too wild and crazy. Also, lifesaver. These widened foot pegs. They are an absolute lifesaver to have. So, especially when you're doing a lot of long miles. They don't have the rubber like vibration resistance that the factory ones do, but it's all right. It's a give and a take. This gravel is crazy loose gravel. There's a huge pothole right there. Like, it's not even like a little dip, it's like an actual hole in the ground. It's pretty not too fun on the bike. Don't want to get yourself caught up in that. Now that we know where the mud is, we can kind of have a little bit more fun. You can see where the bike grips up on this dirt road. You can see my tracks from before. You see where we're sliding a little bit. Sliding around here. Don't get caught up in that mud. Yeah. Got a little mushy right there. Nothing too crazy. Try to ride over top of that. Just like super soft, very watered down sand, mud, junk. This was that big hole. Kind of want to watch out in one of these because you never know how big. See, like, the mesh pants are great. Don't get me wrong. It's super nice in the summertime where I'm like riding my bike to work. I can keep my work shorts on underneath and I won't get too crazy hot. Don't have to wear jeans. But riding through mud puddles, man, it all goes straight into your leg. So, oh, that's a big mud hole there. I didn't even know that. I didn't even recognize that. All kinds of tire tracks. So, last time we came out on that dirt road. Roll down here a little bit. Check out this bridge. A little bit of a creek down there. Down here. Let's see what we can get into. It's a little squirrely. Someone definitely been down here. So, alright, now we can turn around and go back, because what's the point? Actually, I want to check out this road here. This road over here that the dirt road ends out on, it's pretty sweet. It's super tight, and it doesn't have like any of these lines. It doesn't have any lines on it or anything like that. But it's like super twisty, a little bouncy. It's got some little hills on it. Like right now, this is a pretty normal sized road. Like, yeah, it's a little small, but it's like around this bridge, it gets even smaller. Really narrows up, and it's got a crazy like crest. It's got like a really exaggerated berm over the top of it there. It's pretty cool, huh? See, yeah, that right there is why I wish I had more suspension, because those little like washboard bumps, they really tear you up. It's not desirable for sure. Not in the slightest. Do I want to go that way? Which way do I want to go? I could go that way. Yeah, let's go that way. Just stop at the gas station, grab a drink. And then we can take the other roads that are on the other side of the highway all the way back to Berlin. Hopefully I remember where I'm going. I think I know. I think I go left and then that takes me to where I need to get to. But we'll find out, right? We'll see. We'll get there eventually. Super snappy bike. Especially, even with these dirt tires, it's still super snappy. I love that. I love it. It's great. Green branch. That was neutral. Hopefully this video is turning out pretty good for you guys. I don't know. It's my first time doing this thing, so any feedback would be very great. I'd love if you guys left some comments, tell me what I could do differently, what I could do better. You know, help me out so I can make better, more entertaining videos for you guys. I think it's about time to head over to the gas station and pick up a bev. I need some bev. Willards Elementary School. Be safe and read. I could not tell you the last time I read a book all the way through. I'd take an educated guess and say 6th grade. Maybe 7th grade. No, it was probably 8th grade because we read The Outsiders and that was pretty good. I'd say 8th grade was the last time I actually read a book.
Alright guys, so we're here at the lovely Shell gas station, and I didn't know which drink I wanted, so usually I'd go with like a water or a Sprite or a tea. So I saw this and I was like, mucho mango, that sounds really good, but it's in a can and I definitely cannot drink that at all. So I ended up getting a Sprite and the mucho mango, so when I get home I have the opportunity to try it. Motovlog. It's the first time I've said motovlog out loud and it sounds a little silly, but I mean, there isn't really any other word for it, so works for me, I guess.
I wasn't planning on going on this road, but let's go take a ride. I really hate how, I mean, this used to be dirt. This used to be entirely dirt. And now it's just like this nasty tar and chip crap. Just kind of sucks. Delmarva coon hunters. Interesting. So nice to rev match this thing. Look at that little camper. That's pretty sweet. Pretty cool little travel trailer there. Be a fun little hunting trailer. I feel like that one guy riding with Tom, he's from Australia or something like that, I think. Yeah, Australia. He rides like a WR250. He always starts his videos with, "Good day, gents." I gotta figure out some sort of like way to greet everybody. How should I go about greeting everybody? Let's see. I always do the old classic, "What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another super duper exciting, eviscerating, interesting motorcycle vlog." I think I should just make that my intro from now on. Just, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another "What's going on, guys?" You know, that kind of stuff. It just gets old. I try to avoid it, but I mean, stuff like that, it works. You know, it's how it is. That horse has got a blanket on. I wonder why that horse has a blanket. It's like 90 degrees out. Does that horse really need a blanket? It looked like mesh. Maybe it was some sort of like fly repellent. Maybe it has something going on with it. You never know. Anyway, back to our original argument of how should I greet you guys. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jarrett and I'm doing motorcycle vlogs. See, like, that's just stupid. I mean, like, once again, it works. It's just kind of weird. I don't know if I really like that. Like, hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jarrett. If you're not new, welcome back. I think a good combination is like the people that are like, welcome to my channel, welcome back if you're new. Oh wait, no, wait, hold on. Definitely not that. Welcome back to the channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Jarrett, and in today's video, we're gonna be absolutely ripping on the Kawasaki Versys X300 down some absolutely incredible back roads here. We're just really pushing myself and this bike to the limits here. We're really getting after it. See, like, that's exciting and stuff, but like, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Let's hope this guy lets me go by him. Might just have to give him the old 1-2 shifteroo.